creative donuts and for their delicious, tasty fried chicken. So let's go celebrate the holidays with both. It's that time of year and Astro is rolling out their holiday gift sets for Hanukkah and for Christmas. The Christmas gift set includes 3 gingerbread, 3 Christmas cookie, 3 eggnog, and 3 creme brulee donuts. The Hanukkah gift set includes 4 soft guignol, 4 Hanukkah cookies, and 4 creme brulee. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy eating and happy holidays.